everybody, and welcome back to Computer Tic-Tac-Toe. I am your host, and today we're going to do something a little special, a little different, and maybe, just maybe, you can learn how to play a great game of Tic-Tac-Toe. Before we begin, I want to say thank you so much for joining me here today. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, share these videos. More people get to understand the greatness of Tic-Tac-Toe than just maybe, just maybe, we can bring world peace. So anyways, with that, let's begin a wonderful game of Tic-Tac-Toe. So as you could see, I'm going to be just playing around, just having some fun, doing my usual routine of sorts. I know I haven't really been on lately. I know I said I made a whole slew of videos, and I actually have made a whole slew of videos, but the previous week and the weekend were just a complete gong show for me. Just complete and utter madness, if you will. Like I said before, I started a new job. I've been doing a lot of charity work, helping those in need, and I've been spending time with my family, and so I haven't really been able to do a lot, get a lot of stuff out. I've been working on a lot of articles and a lot of my videos and stuff like that. Excuse me. And I wanted to kind of explain why I haven't really been putting out videos in a while. I got a whole slew of them made, but I kind of wanted to take this time to actually talk to you guys about, just what's been going on in my life lately. I want to thank all the nice new people who subscribe to my channel. I've got a few people that follow me on Twitter. That really means a lot to me. I have 5 people in my subreddit, which is amazing. I'm honestly honored to have so many people who like my videos and like the work that I'm doing. And it means a lot to me. It honestly does, because with all this bull poop happening in the world, I've been out of work for 8 months, and I finally got a job, again, and the job market's really tough where I'm at, so I just really appreciate it. I honestly really do appreciate all those that subscribe to me and comment and all that stuff. And I'm not just saying that because I want to get internet famous. Internet fame isn't really something for me. It's more just doing something that I love to do, besides helping others and family and, work and my cat and all that fun stuff. Having a hobby, having something that I honestly really enjoy doing is all I need. A lot of people, they'll make an operating system, or they want to make the next Doom, or that's how dated I am, or whatnot. They want to make a killer app. Me, I just made a text user, basically a text user interface of Tic-Tac-Toe. But how can you really make a great game of Tic-Tac-Toe? You can go about it the way of the Atari 2600, with the weird 3D, with the weird black lines on the left side of the screen, which really don't belong there, because it's because of the pixel ratings or the processor or whatever. I remember somebody telling me that it's you see the blue background and you see these black lines. That's because the CPU is trying to draw it out. And I was like, well, why not just have the screen black instead of blue and eliminate that? But I don't know. I don't know. I'm always kind of like that. I guess that's why everything I make is black background and white text or green text or something like that. But I do enjoy a good game of Tic-Tac-Toe. I was downloading a few Tic-Tac-Toe games on the Google Play Store, and they're boring as heck. They try to act all fancy and futuristic, trying to make it look like it's a battle to the end, and they're just so boring. But then again, though, you could always say, like, hey, tic-tac-toe is boring. But in reality, it isn't. It's actually a very, very intellectual game in a way that there's only 9 spaces, and the outcomes are very limited. But all you need to do is win. It's like chess, right? But it's 64 spaces in chess, and all that, all the pieces and everything like that. There's like millions upon millions of different outcomes. But for tic-tac-toe, there's only about like 200 and I want to say 56 or 65,000 positive outcomes for X, and half of that for O, and then like 25,000 I think for a draw or a cat's game. It's or a cat's tail or whatever it's called. I'm exhausted. I'm making this video and I'm exhausted. And it's a fun little game. It's not going to take you like 3 days to play. And if you really think about it, tic-tac-toe should be on the world stage. Like, there should be tournaments for it. I looked online and there's no tournaments. There's nothing, for families to do. There's no tic-tac-toe tournament or anything for people to enjoy themselves with. And as you can see here, I won 10 games and tied 3 times when I'm doing this. And I'm actually being really quiet because my kids are sleeping. So, well, it's a shame. I really wish more people would be into tic-tac-toe. I'm on Discord and a few people are there, and we shoot the heck, and we go about it, and we play a game here, a game there, or on Reddit. If you ever want to play a game against me, go to the computer tic-tac-toe subreddit. I had to think there for a second. Or on Twitter. You can go on Twitter and play a game against me there, or in the YouTube comments. But with that being said, I want to thank you so much for joining me here today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more, tell me about it. If you want to, subscribe to this channel, go for it. You can join the millions upon millions upon millions of other people who've subscribed to me already. So, with that being said, my cat's scratching at the door. I'll bid you all a good day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.